Today we're gonna do homemade potato balls. All you need is a pot of cooked potatoes, something like this to crush them later, a little bit of flour, 2 eggs, and breadcrumbs. At first you need to peel the cooked potatoes. Then add any spices you like. I added cumin, curry, salt with chili, garam masala, ras el hanut, and pepper. Then crush the potatoes until they get smooth. At last you can knead them by your hand until the potatoes look like a dough. Then take a small piece of it with a little bit of flour and shape it into a ball. Put the ball at first into the flour, then into the egg, then into the breadcrumbs. Repeat the process until the crushed potatoes are gone. Last, roast the potato balls in a pan with olive oil and butter. Roast them at the medium heat and turn them in between. They will be finished when they get a golden brown color. You can serve them with some cooked meat or vegetables, for example.